Hey guys, welcome back to the Tech. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a folders and delete on Roundcube. So to do this, let's get started. So first you need to log into your Bluehost thing accounts. So I'm on my dashboard right now. So from here, I need to click email and go cPanel email. I'm using this account, so just cPanel email. From there, click continue. Then I'm going to use this email account. Just click check email. That will bring you on your inbox. It's called Roundcube, so you can see your email inbox here. So create a new folder. Go to setting. Click folder. Then from here, click plus button and your folder name. So I have created earlier, so you can see I'm going to use some folder from here, so maybe not marketing, and you can change your setting from here or you can leave as it is. And also list same, so you can change or you can leave as it is. So I'm going to leave as it is and just save. So my new folder is here. I'm going to create a couple of them. So now is maybe HR and same. Just click save. Add more for maybe finance. Same, save, and maybe one more. Internal. So you can add with like your team meetings, your different announcement, etc. I'm just removing HR because I already created another folder. Just click save. That's all. So your all different folder is created. So if you want to delete one, maybe HR, you can see there's star button here and delete. Just click delete. They will be deleted. And then to check your all inbox folder, so just click on inbox here. So you can see your all different folders is here, so you can manage your email in much easier way. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if helpful, please share and like and subscribe my channel to stay tuned for more tech tips. Until then, thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.